Hello, hello. All right. So we're going to talk eyeliner and mascara today. Right now, I don't have any eyeliner on the top, but I do have lashes on, so it's going to look like I have an eyeliner on. So I don't put a ton of eyeliner on the top when I'm wearing my lashes, but I do put it kind of on my waterline on the bottom because I like more kind of like a smoky look. And then I also use just the regular Moonstruck Epic Mascara. I really, really love the applicator brush on these. I don't know why, but I just feel like it really grips my lashes. And even though I have lashes on the top, I still like to take this and blend my lashes with the fake eyelashes. Okay, so, but what I do like to do, I do like to kind of go over in the corner here because obviously like your lashes don't go all the way to the inner corner of your eye. So I will take this and just kind of lightly go back and forth. If I didn't have fake eyelashes on, I would definitely put a solid like liner on the top just because I like the definition on my eyes. When I don't have my eyeliner on, I feel like everyone always asks me why I look tired. Or, oh, you look tired. Or I'm like, thanks. So again, just putting this in this inner corner here. I really, really like their pencil eyeliner because it's very heavily pigmented, and so as you can see, really dark, nice, yeah. But yeah, once you let it sit and let it dry, it doesn't smudge, which is awesome. Okay, so then for this part, I like to just kind of very gently pull. This is your most sensitive and fragile skin is underneath your eyes, so try to prevent wrinkling there. So you just very gently put a finger right here and pull down just very slightly, and I just kind of work this back and forth a little bit. Same thing on this eye. So then it's not actually like underneath your lashes, but it's just like, it just helps when you're trying to like smoke out everything with the mascara. So then I like to go underneath, like I said, and blend my lashes with the fake eyelashes that I have on. And as I'm doing this, I'm kind of pulling up. Okay, so you can kind of see the difference between this one and this one. Another little tip, if you're putting mascara all the way to the end of these little false eyelashes, don't like open your eyes super wide at first. Let the mascara dry, otherwise you're going to get little dots from your eyelashes touching up there. Okay. And then you want to make sure to kind of get that product. You don't want a ton of product on there, otherwise that's how you're going to mess up your makeup. And then for the bottom lashes, I just kind of do like a back and forth motion so that it's more so like dusting it on there. Okay, so you can see the difference. This one's just a little bit more like smoked out with that mascara on there as well. Same thing right here. You want to open your eyes really wide to get in those corners. Okay, so there you have it. I am obsessed with the mascara. So if any of you haven't tried it and you want to try it, message me, let me know. I have not gotten a chance to try the 3D fiber lashes, but that's on its way, so I'm super excited for that to get in. Hopefully won't have to wear my fake eyelashes anymore. But so yeah, this is my completed eye look that I typically do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the completed eye look, and let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to know anything about other colors or anything, or what would look good with your eyes, just shoot me a message and we can chat about it. And then the next video I'll be showing you how to kind of contour and highlight your face, but just kind of a simplified version, so it's not like super hard or super like technical. The eyeliner that I left on my hand there, that's the pencil that I used, and it's smudge proof. It's awesome. Smudge proof pencil. Usually by the end of the day I have problems with it, not with this one, but with when I wear pencil, with it running in the corners, and I'm constantly trying to clean up and everything, but I don't have that issue with this pencil, so I really, really love it. Again, this color is called Perfect. It's their black pencil eyeliner. So yeah, if you want to give that a try, or the mascara, shoot me a message, let me know. And then next video I will move right on to the contour and highlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the eyeliner mascara video. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day, guys.